Assalamu alaikum grade 7. How are you? Faiza Nadeem here with your English lesson. And as usual, as always, the first thing I am going is to give you my best wishes and prayers. I always hope and wish and pray for the best in both the world and the hereafter for each and every student of mine. Right? लेकिन हर एक को अपनी दुआओं में शामिल रखते हैं, ठीक है? जैसे मैं आपको अपनी दुआओं में शामिल रखती हूँ, आप भी मुझे अपनी दुआओं में शामिल रखें कि रब्बुल आलमीन मेरी आखिरत को आसान कर दे, right? So let's move on to the board and let's find out what today's lecture is all about. Let's go. जी, मेरी बहुत प्यारी grade 7 बेटा भी और बिटिया भी. What is the board telling you? The board is telling you that we are going to do another comprehension from your Oxford Progressive Reader, Book 7, and the unit is Other Worlds, right? Mysterious. And from these other worlds, we are going to pick a poem today, which is from page number 248 to page number 250, and this poem is all about a rabbit. The title of the poem is We Are Going to See the Rabbit, and it's written by Alan Brownjohn. अब इस पोम का फंडा क्या है? इस पोम का फंडा ये है कि the way we are killing animals, ठीक है? Animals को हम ruthlessly kill कर रहे हैं, उनकी जो habitat है उसको kill कर रहे हैं, deforestation कर रहे हैं, उनके ऊपर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कर रहे हैं, उनको पोचिंग के लिए मार रहे हैं, अपने घर में ट्रॉफीज बना के सजाने के लिए मार रहे हैं. तो बेसिकली हम तमाम एनिमल्स को किल किए जा रहे हैं. और ये जो स्पेसिफिक पोम है ये फ्यूचर में सेट है, वहाँ पर जहाँ पर सिर्फ एक रैबिट बचा है और उस एक रैबिट को बच्चे देखने जा रहे हैं और उन बच्चों की और उस रैबिट की फीलिंग बताई हुई है कि what that specific rabbit might be feeling at that time, because he is the only survivor of animal kingdom at that moment, at that point, in that specific area, ठीक है, in the world. तो ये जो है futuristic poem, ये एक rabbit का despair, एक रैबिट की नाउम्मीदी, एक रैबिट के खौफ बयान कर रही है. I'll move on, I'll read the poem and then we are going to come back to the task of the day. जी बेटा, I'm going to read the poem first, ठीक है? थोड़ी सी poem पढ़ती हूँ, आपको सुनाती हूँ, समझाती हूँ, and then we'll move back to the task of the day. The poem is We Are Going to See the Rabbit. We are going to see the rabbit. We are going to see the rabbit. Which rabbit? People say. Now, it's so much in the future that the people are not aware of what rabbits are. Which rabbit? Asks the children. Which rabbit? The only rabbit. The only rabbit in England. Sitting behind a barbed wire fence. बार्ब्ड वायर फेंस यानी उस रैबिट को वहां होल्ड करके रखा हुआ है कि वो रैबिट वहां से बाहर ना जाए. अंडर द फ्लड लाइट्स, नियॉन लाइट्स, सोडियम लाइट्स, nibbling grass on the only patch of grass. Now we are speaking about the so much futuristic time where there would be only one grass patch, ठीक है? There would be only one grass patch left in the world and only one rabbit in the world in general and England in specific. Except the grass by the hoardings, which does not count. We are going to see the rabbit and we must be there on time. So there were timings fixed to see the rabbit. They could not go over there anytime they want to. It was the only rabbit in England and the only grass patch, actual grass that was left in England. We are speaking about the pollution. We are speaking about how we have destroyed the earth, how we are destroying it now, and how the earth would result if we will keep on doing what we are doing right now, right? First, we shall go by escalator, then we shall go by underground, and then we shall go by motorway, and then by helicopter way, and the last 10 yards we shall have to go on foot. See how the technology has advanced. Motorways, helicopter ways, underground subways, and escalators, but no nature, no grass, no rabbits. And now we are going all the way to see the rabbit. We are nearly there, we are longing to see it, and so is the crowd. So there is a huge crowd longing to see the only rabbit that lived in England on that specific day, which is here in thousands, which mounted policemen and big loudspeakers and bands and banners, and everyone has come a long way. 1000 से ज़्यादा लोग हैं, उनको पुलिसमैन बैनर्स और बैंग्स और अनाउंसमेंट से हैंडल कर रहे हैं, और सब बहुत दूर दूर से आए हैं. But soon we shall see it sitting and nibbling the blades of grass on the only patch of grass. But something has gone wrong. Why is everyone so angry? Why is everyone jostling? Jostling का मतलब होता है धक्के देना, एक दूसरे को हिलाना. And slanging and complaining. Slanging आपकी bad language, ठीक है? The rabbit has gone. Yes, the rabbit has gone. He has actually burrowed down into the earth and made himself a warren. Rabbit के घर को जो earth के नीचे होता है, warren कहा जाता है. Under the earth, despite all these people. And what shall we do? What can we do? It's all a pity. You must be disappointed. Go home and do something else for today. Go home again. Go home for today. For you cannot hear the rabbit under the earth, remarking rather sadly by himself as he rests in his warren under the earth, it won't be long. They are bound to come. They are bound to come and find me even here. ठीक है? So the rabbit in the last line says that it won't be long and they would be coming over here to find me finally. आपसे क्या कहा जा रहा है इस कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के बाद? आपसे ये कहा जा रहा है कि आपने डायरी राइटिंग करनी है. और डायरी राइटिंग आपने किस तरह से करनी है? डायरी राइटिंग आपने ऐसे करनी है कि आप वन ऑफ दोज चिल्ड्रन हैं जो गए थे रैबिट को देखने. ठीक है, आपने अपनी डायरी एंट्री करनी है जिसमें फ्यूचर की डेट लिखनी है, और आपने पूरा जर्नल बताना है कि क्या आपने देखा, क्या आपकी और दूसरों की फीलिंग थी, और रैबिट के इंक्लोजर का सीन और वहाँ पर क्या हुआ. आया आप रैबिट देख पाए या नहीं देख पाए, जिस तरह के वो 1000 से लोग जो थे वो रैबिट को नहीं देख पाए थे, और आप और क्राउड क्या फील कर रहे थे उधर रैबिट को देख के, और व्हाट हैपेंड टू द रैबिट, और रैबिट को क्या हुआ. तो आप जब अपनी डायरी राइटिंग करते हैं तो सबसे ऊपर आप लिखते हैं डेट. ठीक है, तो सबसे ऊपर आपने लिखनी है डेट. डेट आपने फ्यूचर की डालनी है. लेट्स से कि हम क्या करते हैं, हम 30/21 की बात करते हैं. ठीक है, हम लिखते हैं 4th February 30/21. ठीक है, और डियर डायरी से हमेशा शुरू होती है. डियर डायरी हमेशा आपकी जो जर्नल पेज राइटिंग है डियर डायरी से शुरू होगा. ये याद रखना है कि DIA इज डायरी और DAI जो होता है वो डेयरी होता है. ठीक है, मिल्क रिलेटेड वो नहीं लिखना, डायरी की स्पेलिंग करेक्ट लिखनी है. डियर डायरी, फिर एक लाइन छोड़ के लिखो टुडे we had planned to see the only existing animal in the world. ٹھیک ہے, میں آپ کو بلینکس بھی لکھ دیتی ہوں. only existing animal in the world. It was a rabbit. I had no clue what a rabbit would look like, as I have only seen people and things. I know how people and things look like, but I have no clue how animals look like, how they speak, and how they walk. I have only heard stories about them. There are not even pictures on Google to be seen because they all become extinct a century ago. Okay, let's not do Google, let's do Doodle. ٹھیک ہے, اب آپ پہنچ گئے ہو ریبٹ کو دیکھنے, ڈائری انٹری شروع کر دی, فیوچر کی ڈیٹ ڈال دی. واٹ ہیو یو سین؟ ٹھیک ہے, وی سیٹ آف ارلی ان دا مارننگ بیکاز اٹ واز a long journey. First, we had to go on escalators to reach the subway. Then from subway, after an hour's drive, after an hour's travel, we reach the station to the helipad. And from helicopter, we reached the place from where, due to security reasons, we had to walk. I was extremely excited, anticipating my first animal watch ever in my life. This is how you have traveled. And then you have now reached. As I reached the sanctuary, there were hundreds or thousands of people waiting for their turn to go inside and watch the rabbit nibble the grass. Or watch the rabbit nibble live grass. ٹھیک ہے, we were all excited. We were all discussing the different options, the different ways that rabbit could look like. Every one of us had his or her own idea regarding the appearance of the rabbit. Finally, the time came when I had to enter the gate with 20 other people in order to see the rabbit. But what happened? The rabbit had disappeared. This is going to be your next paragraph, ٹھیک ہے? But to our despair, the rabbit had disappeared. The rabbit had been very scared or petrified of the humans, and thus the rabbit built a warren or dug a burrow and hid inside. We were all disappointed. Somebody was shouting, somebody was yelling, pushing, pulling each other, but whatever had been done had been done. Now we could not see the rabbit. And so we came back home. I have heard that the rabbit was forced out of the warren and the earth was all blocked, cemented, so that the rabbit could not escape now. That is all for today. Yours and your name. ठीक है? This is how you are going to do the diary writing. Let's quickly recapitulate today's lesson. What did we do? We did Unit 9, Other Worlds, Oxford Progressive Reader, and the poem We Are Going to See the Rabbit. ठीक है? और उसकी हमने डायरी राइटिंग की, और डायरी राइटिंग करते करते मैं इतना सैड हो गई कि मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा सैड हो गई कि मैं आपको क्या एग्जाम्पल दूँ. ठीक है? टेक केयर ऑफ योर अर्थ. Do not pollute. Step down, step back from deforestation. This is how our future generations are going to end up if we will keep on doing what we are doing. हम क्या कर सकते हैं, आप क्या कर सकते हैं, हम ये कर सकते हैं कि हम littering ना करें. ठीक है? यहाँ से हम शुरू करेंगे एक small step, as in the words of Neil Armstrong. One small step is a giant leap for the humanity. Take your one small step and you'll see a giant leap for the humanity. Until we meet again, Faiza Nadeem is signing off. Keep me in your prayers. Keep Pakistan in your prayers. Sayonara.